Well, another bitterly cold night. Down to -8 last night. However, no snow. And today the sun's out, but it's still cold. In fact, it's really cold. So we'll have a look at the pond and we'll see what the fish are doing today. And we've got the birds out again because they know I'm down at the pond. Blackbirds are here again. So we'll lift the covers up and have a look in the pond. Well, the water seems fine. It's nice and clear. And the fish are all right. Wednesday today. And big fish, I think, must be down the bottom end of the pond, which is deeper. Twins are not out today. I don't know where they are. They must be down the bottom as well. It's deeper down the bottom end. Oh, there's one of the twins coming out now. I called them the twins because there's two fish identical. There they go. And they are always together. If you see one, you know the other one's only just going to be behind it. Some of the other fish are coming out now. I don't know what the temperature is. Like I say, last night dropped down to about -8 outside temperature. It was bitterly cold. In fact, you couldn't come outside because it's burning your lungs when you tried to breathe. It was so bad. We'll have a look at the temperature now. Temperature's 1.7. I still have the charcoal to put into my filters. Not managed to get around to that yet. It's just too cold. Here comes the cat, and I'm going to sneeze. Oh dear me. I got a really bad head today and I'm sneezing. My throat's sore. So not a day to be out really. As I was saying, here's the cat. It sleeps wild in the gardens. It's sleeping sleeping between my shed and the fence at the moment. And it's here. And you can see it there. There she is. Or he is. And it's a tomcat. What's the matter? It's going down to the back door now. Because it knows if it goes to the back door, it'll get fed. It just sits there. Anyway, for today, I think that's all because it's just too cold to be out. And I'll go in the house and I'll start drawing up the measurements for the pond solar system that I'm going to be putting in the next few weeks if the temperature warms up a little bit. So from me, take care, stay out of this snow, keep warm, and I'll see you in the next one.